All right, today we're looking at solving for y like we did yesterday.
All right.
And then once we have it that y is by itself, we're going to graph it like we've been working on for the past couple days. So we're going to tie together a couple of topics that we've been working on. So, slope-intercept form.
Y equals
Lauren, which letter does the slope represent?
slope is M.
Okay. Connor, y-intercept is represented by
E.
Okay. So example 1, y plus 2 equals negative 3x. Our goal is to get our equation in slope-intercept form so that y is all by itself. So Becca, what would you like to move on example 1 to get y by itself?
Subtract the 2.
All right. Do I have any like terms on the right-hand side to put it with?
No.
All right, so I have on the left-hand side what?
Y equals negative 3x minus 2.
All right. So Virgil, what's my slope?
3/1.
Close.
It's negative 3.
Oh.
Yep. And what is my y-intercept? Negative 2. So what am I going to graph first?
Negative 2.
So I go down 2, and from there, what do I do?
Down to 4.
Can I draw my line now?
Take it down a second.
All right, example 2. Y minus 4 equals 2x minus 6.
Can I do this one?
Lauren, what would you like to do first?
Can we add 4?
Do I have any like terms on the right-hand side?
Yes.
What do I put it with?
Negative 6. So it's y equals 2x minus 2.
What is my slope
2 over 1.
and my y-intercept?
Negative 2.
Okay.
Then
So what am I graphing first?
negative 2. Then you go up 2 over 1. What?
Example 3, y plus 4x equals 3x minus 4. Mitch, what do you want to move? Okay. Do I have like terms on the other side?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to put it with the what?
3x.
All right. So Kenna, what do I have on the left-hand side?
Y.
All right. Y equals. On the right?
Negative 1x minus 4.
Okay. Will, what's my slope?
Negative 1 over 1.
Okay. And my y-intercept?
Negative 4.
All right. So where am I going to put my first point?
And negative 4.
At negative 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And from there?
Then you go down 1 over 1. Already do that.
All right, example 4. 3x plus 2y equals 5.
Minus 3x.
Do I have like terms on the
No,
right-hand
no.
side? Tori, what do I have remaining on the left-hand side?
On the left-hand side, you have 5.
On the left.
Sorry, you have 2y.
Okay. Equals. What term do we want to write down first on the right?
5 minus negative 3.
2.
Negative 3.
We can write 5 minus 3x, but we like to keep it in slope-intercept form, so that means anything with the x. Listing it first is helpful.
Do we have to?
You do not have to.
Okay.
All right, so now I have 2i equals negative 3x plus 5. Chelsea.
Divide by 2.
All right. Divide what by 2?
Everything.
Everything.
Shoot in.
I have.
Y equals 5 over 2 minus 3 over 2x. It's not regulated like. They would have to be like all the way down to 5.
All right, so what is my slope?
Negative 3 over 2x.
Do I include the x when I'm talking about
No.
slope? No. What's my y-intercept?
5 over 2.
So wouldn't it just be like 4.5?
Not 4.5.
2.5.
2.5.
That's what I meant.
So my y-intercept is 2.5. So we're going to go up 1, 2, and then a half, and make our dot.
Oh my gosh, I can't see anything. Maybe you should
And from there, what am I going to do?
go down 3 and over 2.
Down 3. 1, 2, 3. So that puts me in between 0 and negative 1, and over 2.
Wait a minute. I think I did this one.
Do you have it? Up 2.5. So you're in between 2 and 3.
Wait, 2.5. Why would?
Our y-intercept is 5 halves, which is 2.5 as a mixed number.
Oh, okay.
All right? And then we go down 3 and over 2. Example 5. 4x minus 5y equals 10. Gavin, what do you want to move first?
The 4x.
Okay, do I have like terms on the other side?
No.
All right. So subtract 4x from both sides.
Oh my
Hannah,
gosh.
what do
now
I have on the
can
left?
do this.
You would have on the left, you
Yes.
have y equals
No,
on the
on the left.
On the left, you'd have y equals.
No.
on the left
You would have
y equals
negative
5. No,
Yeah,
4x
negative
minus 10.
5y.
Negative 5y.
Negative
This
5y.
side, Connor.
Left.
My bad. I was confused. But I knew it was
Equals.
that. So I wrote down on my phone.
Negative
4x
four.
plus x.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, I got this
I
right.
divided by 5. and then-
No.
No.
Negative 5.
Divide it by. You know what you're doing. You're just having a hard time saying it, right?
Gracious.
So y equals.
4/5.
No.
I have 2
Negative 4/5. Positive 4/5.
X plus
So I was
negative
right.
2. Might mean minus 2.
Okay.
Wait, why is it minus?
Because
Oh,
negative
just
2.
kidding, I got it.
So my slope is
4 over 5.
y-intercept is.
Negative 10 over 5.
Which is negative 10.
Negative what? Oh,
It's negative 2. Bro.
So where am I starting?
Negative 2. Oh god, what?
And from there,
Then you go up 4 and over 5.
well, that was like pulling teeth.
Sorry.
Actually, getting my people.
Sorry. You?
What are you?
All right, example 6.
Y equals 6.
Are you going to tell me how you did it?
I multiplied by negative 3.
Multiplied what by negative 3?
Y. The fraction, that's the word.
We're multiplying both sides
Right.
by negative 3.
I did that. And then I got
So on the
26.
right side,
And so you get y equals 6 because there's 2 negatives which equals a positive.
Okay. so what is our slope?
0.
What's our y-intercept?
6.
So what do I do?
Start at the origin.
Yeah.
And then
Go
move
up
up
6 and then make a line.
Horizontal line.
It is
And then-
horizontal.
over 1, right?
No, it is horizontal. Our slope is 0, so we're not looking at
Okay.
having a rise or a run.
Oh.
Velociraptor. I want to be a velociraptor. Those things are sweet.
Really?
Yeah, have you not seen Jurassic Park when they're like going through the kitchen, then they stop and then they like tap their foot and then they keep walking? I think it's so funny. You do know she's recording.
All right, example 7. 7y equals 3x. Matt, what do you want to do?
Divide both sides by 7.
Very nice.
Y equals
What does y equal?
3, 7x.
Or just do 7.
What is my slope?
7.
What is my y-intercept? 0. So where am I starting?
0.
And from there?
Going up 3 over 7. Oh, really?
Example 8. Negative 3y equals 9x.
Divide by negative 3.
So
Y equals
Negative
negative
three.
3x. So then it's down, go to the origin.
What's my slope?
Negative 3 over 1.
What's my y-intercept?
0.
So I'm starting where, Chelsea?
Origin.
And then?
Go down 3 and over to the right 1.